Good evening, delegates. Following Dr. Murugabharati's talk, I will be sharing our experience at CMC in predicting outcomes of sepsis using machine learning. Traditionally, sepsis outcomes are predicted using an experienced clinician's judgment or by the use of scoring systems. In this study, we have looked at the role of machine learning tools. The population included patients admitted with sepsis according to Sepsis 3 guidelines. The intervention and control are various artificial intelligence predictive algorithms, and the outcome is the diagnostic accuracy of algorithms in predicting mortality. This study used data from a historical cohort study done on long-term outcomes of sepsis with the study period between 2009 to 2014. The variables were exported into SPSS and R software for analysis. The various algorithms studied were logistic regression, a traditional model, artificial neural networks, decision tree, and support vector machine. The baseline characteristics showed a mean age of 52 with 47% females. Apache score on an average was 19.5, 44% were diabetics, 44% had presented with UTI, bacteremia was present in 32%. Looking at the diagnostic accuracy table, 70% of the data was used as trained data, 30% as test data. As evident, SVM model has got the highest sensitivity and specificity of 99 and 93% respectively, but it has dropped in the test sample. It is evident from the table overall that none of these algorithms have a sensitivity or specificity more than 88%, meaning there is a 12% chance that the prediction of the AI algorithm can go wrong in predicting mortality. Looking at the ROC curves, the SVM model with full set of variables has got the highest area under the curve of 99.24. These are the 32 variables which have been used in these algorithms, and it is evident that inotropes, ventilation, ICU stay, and steroids have been the most important predictive variables. The limitations of this study is that it's from a single center and we have not done external validation of these algorithms. To conclude, SVM has got the highest diagnostic accuracy among the other algorithms. However, further validation studies are required. At this stage, we can say that artificial intelligence cannot replace a clinician's judgment, but can be a valuable assistance. I acknowledge my co-investigators, especially Dr. Jayseelan and Dr. Thambu, who have been the brain behind this project. Thank you.